Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the lined hatch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 1. I have already made 26 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 3 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 3 chains into this next chain and make a single crochet. Then make 2 chains. Then into this next chain, you're going to make 3 double crochet. Now we're going to start repeating that. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet. Then make 2 chains. Then into this next chain, make 3 double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, make 2 chains, then into this next chain make 3 double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 2, into this next chain make 3 double crochet. When you reach the end of your row and you only have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain, then into this last chain, make 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into each stitch, you're going to make a single crochet until you reach the next chain space. So right here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 single crochet into each of those stitches. There's those 4. Then you're going to make 2 chains to skip any previous chain space. Then into each of the next stitches, you're going to make 1 single crochet into each, and again it's going to be 4. Counting this stitch right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's how things are looking. We're going to start repeating from this chain space. So make 2 chains to skip any previous chain space. Into each of the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each. Make 2 chains to skip any chain space. Into each of the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each. Make 2 chains to skip any chain space. Into each of the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch, so we'll be skipping the first stitch. Into this next one, make 3 double crochet. We're going to be getting into our sequence next. You're going to skip over to this next chain space and work a single crochet into that chain space. Then make 2 chains. Into this next stitch, you're going to make 3 double crochet. And that's going to be our sequence. So you're going to skip over to the next chain space and work a single crochet, chain 2, then in this next stitch make 3 double crochet. Skip over to this next chain space, make a single crochet, chain 2, in this next stitch make 3 double crochet. Skip over to this next chain space, single crochet, chain 2, then work 3 double crochet into this next stitch. When you get to the end of your row and you only have 3 stitches left, skip 2 of those stitches, then into this last stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the lined hatch stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.